Welcome to my channel. What if one simple English story could help you speak more smoothly, with less fear, and more confidence in just 7 days? Most people study English for years, but still stop when it's time to speak. Why does that happen, and how can stories fix it? Stay with me until the end, because each part builds your fluency step by step, and you will feel the change as you listen. Before we begin, I want to ask you something important. If you really want to speak English, not just understand it, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment Fluency below. This small action helps you stay committed, and promise yourself to watch the full video because leaving early is how most people stay stuck. Chapter 1. Why English Stories Create Fluency Faster Than Study. Let me say something honest. Most English learners work very hard. They study grammar. They memorize words. They watch lessons. But when someone speaks to them, their mind goes blank. Most people never notice this problem. The problem is not English knowledge. The problem is speaking flow. But here's the strange part. Fluency is not built by rules. It is built by movement. Mouth movement, sound movement, story movement. Stories help because they feel safe. When you listen to a story, your brain relaxes. You are not being tested. You are not answering questions. You are just following a journey. And this is where learning becomes natural. Let me show you what changed everything for many learners. When they stop studying English and start copying English stories, their fear slowly disappears. A story has rhythm. A story has emotion. A story has real sentences. This is how real people speak. Not in grammar rules, but in moments. Most people never practice moments, they practice exercises. That is why they freeze. But when you practice stories, your brain starts to expect English. That expectation is fluency. And here is a top moment you should remember. You do not need to understand every word. Yes, really. Understanding comes later. First comes sound. First comes flow. Children speak before they understand everything. That is not a mistake. That is the method. Now you may be thinking, okay, stories sound good, but how do I actually practice? That question takes us directly to the next chapter, because the method matters more than the story itself. Chapter 2. What shadowing is and why it feels strange. Shadowing is very simple. You listen to a story and you speak at the same time. Not after, not before. With the speaker. Same speed, same rhythm, same pauses. That's it. But here's the strange part. It feels uncomfortable at first, and that is a good sign. Most people stop when something feels uncomfortable. They think it means they are bad at English. That is wrong. Discomfort means your mouth is learning something new. Let me show you what changed everything. When learners accept the discomfort and keep going, their brain starts copying automatically. You may feel slow. You may miss words. You may sound wrong. But don't stop. Shadowing is not about perfection. It is about flow. Most people never notice this, but fluency comes from continuing, not correcting. Another surprise moment is this. You don't need to think about grammar while shadowing. In fact, thinking makes it worse. Your job is only to follow the sound, like singing along to a song. When you sing, you don't analyze. You feel. English works the same way. Shadowing works because your brain learns patterns, sentence patterns, sound patterns, stress patterns. After a few days, your mouth starts moving before your mind finishes thinking. That is a huge step. Now that you understand what shadowing is, the next question is clear. What kind of story should you use, and how should you practice it the right way? Let's move forward. Chapter 3. How to practice one English story correctly. Choose one short English story. Real life. Simple words. Clear voice. 1 or 2 minutes is enough. Do not choose long or difficult stories. Most people make this mistake and quit early. Simple is powerful. First, Listen to the story one time. Just listen. No speaking. Let your ears get used to the sound. Then play it again. This time, shadow it. Speak with the voice. Don't stop, even if you miss words, even if you feel lost. Keep going. Here's the strange part. Not stopping is more important than speaking correctly. When you stop, you break the flow. When you continue, your brain stays active. Let me show you what changed everything. Learners who stop less improve faster. Practice for 10 to 15 minutes only. That's it. More is not better. Consistency is better. One story, same story. Repeat it every day for a few days. Your brain loves repetition. Most people never repeat enough to feel change. Do not translate. Do not write. Do not pause to think. Just follow. This is not study time. This is speaking time. And now comes the exciting part. What happens after you do this for a few days? The answer surprises many learners. Let's talk about that next. Chapter 4. What changes after 3 days of story shadowing? After 3 days, something small but important happens. You feel less scared. Not fluent yet, but calmer. Your mouth feels more ready. Your ears catch words faster. This is a viewer spike moment because many people think nothing is happening, but it is. Most people never notice this stage and quit. That is a big mistake. Let me show you what changed everything. If you continue past this point, progress becomes visible. You start finishing sentences more easily. You pause less. You repeat sounds more clearly. Even your confidence changes. You stand differently. You breathe differently. This is not magic. This is practice. Another strange change is listening. You understand spoken English better. Why? Because you trained your ear through shadowing. You are no longer surprised by English sounds. At this stage, your brain is warming up. You are building the habit. And habits are powerful. But the real transformation happens later. Day 7 is where everything connects. So don't slow down. Don't change the method. Keep the story. Keep shadowing. Because the next chapter is where fluency starts to feel real. Chapter 5. The 7-day fluency shift most learners never reach. After 7 days, something clicks. You speak without translating every word, not perfectly, but naturally. You start thinking in small English phrases. This is a top moment. Many learners never reach it because they stop too early. Your rhythm improves. Your tone sounds smoother. You respond faster. People may even say, your English sounds better. That moment feels powerful. Let me show you what changed everything. You now trust your voice. Fear becomes smaller. Confidence becomes normal. You no longer wait for perfect sentences. You speak and adjust. That is how real communication works. Most people believe fluency comes from talent. That is false. Fluency comes from repetition with sound. Shadowing gives you that repetition without pressure. At this point, English feels like a skill, not a subject. And skills grow with use. Now, the final question is important. How do you keep this fluency growing every day? Let's finish strong. Chapter 6. Turning story practice into a daily fluency habit. Now you make this simple. Every day, choose one short story, shadow it, 10 minutes. That's all. Some days you feel great, some days you feel slow. Both are normal. You can use daily life stories, your own story, what you did today, what you saw. Record yourself, listen back, shadow your own voice. This is powerful. Most people never notice this, but fluency grows when English becomes part of life, not a special activity. Talk to yourself. Describe your day. Repeat scenes. Keep it real. After some weeks, you won't need effort. English will come out naturally, not perfect, but confident. And confidence creates more confidence. You are not late. You are not bad at English. You just needed the right method. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment Day 1 if you are starting today. Your English voice is already inside you. You just need to use it.